Welcome to Karuna Home, and thank you for using our in-home therapeutic program. This video will walk you through your first-time setup, so let's get started. First, you will need to unpack the box and take out all the equipment. Make sure you save the box. You will need it to return the equipment. You should find in the box a Google Pixel tablet and a charger, a VR headset and a charger, and the hand controllers. First, we will set up the tablet. Make sure the tablet is charged, and if it's not, take the charger and plug it into the tablet on the bottom. To power on the Pixel, press and hold the button on the top right of the volume button. Swipe up and put in the PIN code 1234. Press the blue Enter button. Now check to make sure that the hotspot is on by swiping down and clicking on the hotspot. It is important to make sure that you have the hotspot on every time that you do the VR exercises. Once the hotspot is on, swipe up again to get back to the main screen. Once you are on the main screen, you should see the VC app. This is the app you will use to connect with your pain coach for the telehealth session. At the time of your appointment, you will need to go to the tablet and press on the VC app. You will see your upcoming appointment and a green button that says Enter Waiting Room. Click on this button. This will take you to another screen that will ask you if you would like to start the appointment. Click the green button below that says Start Appointment. Now we are going to set up the VR headset. Before setting up, make sure you have a space to safely stand up and move around and not bump into anything. About a 6 foot by 6 foot area. Stay away from stairs and doorways. Make sure the VR headset is charged. You will find the charging port on the front left side of the headset. Put the VR headset on your face and pull the strap around your head. Make sure to pull the back strap down until it cradles your head. You can adjust the side straps as needed with the Velcro straps on the side and then on the top. Make sure the straps are not too tight and the headset fits comfortably on your face. Now take the headset off and you are ready to power on the headset. Locate the power button on the headset on the front right next to the indicator button and press and hold for 2 seconds. Now locate the hand controllers and make sure you have them in the correct hands and are in the correct position with the circular part pointing up. Find the trigger buttons located on the underside of the controller. You will use these triggers in VR to select and complete tasks. Place them in front of you so you can easily pick them up after putting on the headset. Now put on the headset again. Adjust where it sits on your face to get a better focus. You can adjust the focus if you need on the bottom left on the underside. You can also adjust the volume on the bottom right on the underside. Pick up the hand controllers in front of you and you should be able to see them through your headset. You will now be prompted to create a guardian. This will allow the headset to notify you when you're stepping outside of your safe area. Make sure to leave extra space between the play area and objects. It will ask you to confirm the virtual floor level. Select Confirm. Now you will need to define the play area by dragging the hand controller around the safe area that will be used. It will then prompt you to confirm the Guardian. To launch the Karuna application, start by selecting the Navigate icon. Once you select Navigate, you will see a new menu with 5 options. Select Library, which is the second icon from the left. You will now see a new icon box in the upper left of the menu, titled Library. Select the unknown sources. Now select Karuna Home and launch the application. When it loads, you will see a menu screen with 4 colored panels. First, input your height and gender into the left panel. Next, click on the second panel labeled Tutorial to begin the first time experience, which will teach you how to use Karuna. When the first time experience ends, you will be brought back to the menu screen. This time you will select the third panel to start the upper extremity protocol. There will be 4 exercises in this protocol with a breathing exercise in between the exercises. The exercises will be calibration, predictive coding, which is flower tossing, match 3, and paintbrush. This step you will be asked to repeat 3 different arm motions on each side for 30 seconds. Karuna Home will record your range of motion and calibrate the exercises to your ability. With the breathing exercise, you will be asked to follow the flower, opening and closing with your breath. This is designed to calm your nervous system. With the flower toss exercise, you will be asked to grab a flower out of a bubble and toss it into the pond. It will then switch into mirrored mode, meaning as you raise your left arm, you will see your right arm being raised in VR. In the Match 3 exercise, you will be asked to match flowers of different colors in rows of 3 or more by pressing the trigger button. The goal is to try to not let the flower panel get too high. You will be asked to create different shapes in the sky with a virtual paintbrush. You will raise your arm and drag the paintbrush through the numbered targets to create a shape in the virtual sky. When you finish the exercises, you will be returned to the main menu and you have completed your VR tasks for the day. Congratulations!